Hello friends, I am Savya and now we are going to learn about Recursive Descent Parser, and also we are going to implement the Recursive Descent Parser for the given grammar. So first let us know what is a Recursive Descent Parser. Generally there are two types of parsers. First one is top-down parser and the other is bottom-up parser. Recursive Descent Parser is one of the top-down parser without backtracking. In this top-down parsing technique, we expand the start symbol to the whole program, and the name recursive descent came from the fact that for every variable in the grammar, we are going to write a separate function. Now, let us see the steps to be followed while writing the program. Step 1. If the input symbol is a non-terminal, then a function is to be called with respect to that symbol. Here in the right hand side we have t and e dash. These two are non-terminals. We have to write two different functions for t and e dash. Step 2. If the input symbol is a terminal, we should check whether it matches with the look ahead or not. Here the symbol plus is a terminal, so we have to check whether it matches with the look ahead pointer or not. Step 3. If the production has many alternatives, all these alternatives should be combined in a single procedure using if-else. Here we have two alternatives plus te dash and epsilon. These two alternatives should be combined in the e dash function. Step 4. The parser should be activated by a procedure corresponding to the start symbol. We have to write the start symbol in the main function. Now let us go to the execution part. Let us take the sample input I plus I and check how this program works. These are the globally declared functions, and this is the input pointer pointing to the input string. And we have written a printf statement asking to enter the string and a scanf statement to scan it. Here the string is copied to IP. Next we are calling a function E. The control goes to the function definition of E. In the first line we are printing the production statement. In the right hand side we have a non-terminal, so we have another function for t and we are calling it. Now our control goes to function definition of t. Here we are printing the production. Again we have a non-terminal f in the right hand side, so we have to call function f. Now the control goes to function definition of f. The production corresponding to f is f gives rise to open bracket e close bracket. So first compare look ahead with open bracket. It does not match. So control goes to the else part. Now look ahead is compared with I. It is matched. Now IP is incremented. After the increment, the look ahead points to the next input symbol. Here we can see in the output. Now the control goes to t dash. Go to the function definition of t dash. Now my input starts with plus symbol. It does not match with the star, so it goes to the else part. T dash gives rise to epsilon. Here epsilon is represented as cap. Now the control goes to the function of e dash. Look ahead is compared with plus. It is matched here. So we will print the production and look ahead is incremented. The pointer moves to the next location, that is I. Here in the right hand side we have a non-terminal t. So we have to call a function t. The control goes to the function definition of t. Here the production is printed, and in the right hand side we have a non-terminal f. So again the control goes to the function definition of f. It is verified whether look ahead is matched with open bracket or not. It is not matched. So it goes to the else part and look ahead is compared with I. It is matched. So look ahead is incremented and then the production is printed. After f is completed, it goes back to t dash. But the input is completed and there is nothing to compare with look ahead. So the else part is executed. T dash implies epsilon is printed. Now we go back to e dash. Similarly, as there is no input, we go to the else part. E dash gives rise to epsilon is printed. All the function calls are completed. And now we go back to our main function. After this execution, this statement is printed and then the string is successfully parsed. In this way, hierarchically, recursive descent parser is implemented. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much.